Alright, so the kid's not awake. So we might have a little background crying. She's not feeling too happy right now. That's alright. She's adorable anyway. So yeah, I increased by quite a bit the alcohol for this set. I don't know if that's going to do anything, but no! I really like this blue and I don't like missing. You got some YouTube going on. Just got done playing one of my discovered Star Wars parody songs. It's Yoda and Luke in Star Wars. They're that's a little dangly. Let's see if this will. Bad Lip Reading is the YouTube channel. They, yeah, when I was mixing this stuff, it was pretty bad. I had a lot of dry paint as I was just sitting here swirling, mixing it, and it did not. When I was adding the Floetrol, did not work out right. I probably should have added water to the mix. Do I want to do a flip? No, I'm not going to do a flip. I don't want to do a flip. Every time I do a flip cup, I end up regretting it. Not every time, but most of the time. But, whoa, that's super thick. Holy cow. Alright, that's too solid. There. Well, this is a bit of a mess. Anyway, getting back to the parody, that was Bad Lip Reading did a song called Seagulls Stop It Now, and it's talking about how Yoda essentially got attacked by seagulls when he was on the beach. It's pretty funny. I enjoy it, but I'm a big Star Wars nerd. If you haven't been able to see in the last few videos, my constant Star Wars shirts, so I really enjoy Star Wars, although the last couple movies have been rather unfortunate from my perspective. Well, it turned out to be what I thought might be a mistake. That actually kind of, that jaggedy look to that. That's not too bad. Okay. Not too many stalls right now, but at least there's a little something popping through. Let's hit it with the torch and see what I get. Alright, let's see if this scares her. Hopefully not. popped a few bubbles there, but it didn't really do too much, did it? I don't get it. I was getting plenty of cells. They were, or at the very least, stuff was heating up and stuff. It was moving around, and I don't know what's really changed. Oops. But I mean, I'm not one to be super obsessed with cells. For me, it's the understanding. I just don't know, like, I hate not knowing. I hate the mystery of it. That's what I should say, is I hate the mystery of it. Because I really like this look. But I just don't know why it acts like this. But I really like, yeah, that pink and blue together. Yeah, these are winning colors. I like this color scheme. They work out really, really nice. But okay, so this will be the last ones I do for tonight. As I said in one of the other videos, 3 videos ago, you can see the finished photos on Facebook, and that's at Bradwood Acrylics, and it's also in the description. So you can so all you need to do is, after you watch this video, just click the link and it'll take you right to Facebook, and you can go up and see a much more fine detailed photo of this. So yeah, please drop by and check them out. Thanks for watching.